Hello students, welcome back to our series Know Your State. Today in this video I am going to cover the static GK topics related to the state West Bengal. In this video I will cover all the national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, mountain ranges, important monuments that are important for exam point of view. And this video is helpful for all the students who are preparing for UPSC, Staff Selection Commission, railway exams and other bank exams as well. Let's get into the video. Friends, till now I have covered the states Arunachal Pradesh, Gujarat and Rajasthan. You can check the links of these videos in the description below. Coming to West Bengal. The capital is Kolkata, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and the Governor Jagdeep Dhankar. The ruling party is All India Trinamool Congress. And West Bengal, they celebrate State Formation Day on 26 January every year. So the boundary states of West Bengal are, the international boundaries are Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal. While the interstate boundaries are Bihar, Jharkhand, Assam, here you can find Assam and Sikkim and Odisha. You have to remember all these boundary states. Next, important major cities of West Bengal. Kolkata as the capital. It is also called the cultural capital of India and also city of palaces. Next, Darjeeling. It is called the Queen of the Hills and also tea city. Here you can find the tea plantations. Next, Kharagpur. It is also called Mini India. And one more important fact related to Kharagpur, India's first IIT is established in Kharagpur. Next, Siliguri, it is the gateway of East India. Next, coming to national parks. These are the top important national parks for exam perspective. First one, Sundarbans National Park. Here you can find Sundarbans National Park. It is the biggest mangrove forest in the world. The facts related to Sundarbans National Park. And you can find the largest population of Bengal tigers here. It is also recognized as World Heritage Site and a Biosphere Reserve by UNESCO. Next one, Gorumara National Park. Here you can find Gorumara National Park. And it is famous for Asiatic one-horned rhino. Here you can see the image and Asian elephants. And this is Bengal tiger. Next, Singalila National Park. It is the national park that is located in hill station. It is located more than 7,000 feet high. Next one is Neora Valley National Park. And these national parks are enough for exam point of view. Next, coming to wildlife sanctuaries. Buxa Tiger Reserve, Ramnabangan Wildlife Sanctuary, Senchal Wildlife Sanctuary, Lothian Island Wildlife Sanctuary. Next, Jaldapara Sanctuary. Just remember these 5 words. Just remember these 5 wildlife sanctuaries. Next one, coming to important rivers in West Bengal. Bhagirathi, it is the most important river in West Bengal and it passes through all the important cities like Murshidabad, Barampur, Srirampur, Howrah, Kolkata, Diamond Harbour and Haldia. Next, Damodar River. It is also known as the River of Sorrows or Sorrow of Bengal. Why Damodar River got its name? Because it is a major source of floods in West Bengal. Here you can see the Damodar River. Some other important rivers are Ganga, Hooghly, Teesta, Sankoshi. Here you can see Ganga River. It flows all the way from Nepal, Bihar, enters into West Bengal and then enters into Bangladesh. Next, important dams. The 3 major dams which is a backbone of West Bengal's infrastructure and economy are the Farakka Dam or barrage, Durgapur Barrage and Kangsabati Dam. This Farakka Barrage, it is situated between the Bangladesh and West Bengal. These barrage serves as water sharing between these two boundaries. Next one, important mountains. You just have to remember the single one. It is called Sandakphu. It is the highest peak in the district of Ilam, Nepal and West Bengal, India. Here you can find Sandakphu. It is the highest point in Singalila Ridge or range. So in West Bengal, the highest peak of West Bengal is Sandakphu, and other hills are Tiger Hills and Sangkuli Range. Here you can find Tiger Hills. Next, important monuments present in West Bengal are Victoria Memorial, Indian Museum. It is the largest museum in India. Next, Dakshineshwar Kali Temple. Next, Shahid Minar and Raja Ram Mohan Rai Memorial Museum. Friends, one thing about West Bengal is you can find the buildings constructed by Britishers, because most of the Britishers, they made their home in West Bengal during British rule. And Shah Rukh Khan is a brand ambassador of West Bengal tourism. Next one, World Heritage Sites. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway and Sundarbans National Park are two World Heritage Sites present in West Bengal, and Santiniketan. It is the college established by Rabindranath Tagore. Next one, regarding culture, the major folk dances of West Bengal are Chahu dance, Gambhira dance and Jhumayar. The major language of West Bengalis are Bengali language, next Nepali and English and Hindi. The major festival of West Bengal people are Durga Puja. They celebrate every year for 9 days. Important state symbols. The state flower is night flowering jasmine. The state emblem is, here you can see the emblem of West Bengal. The state animal is the fishing cat. And the state bird is white-throated kingfisher. The important facts regarding West Bengal are: Kolkata is the only city in India where the tram service exists and is a highly popular public transport system. You can find trams everywhere in West Bengal. Next, West Bengal is the only Indian state which has the Himalayas, the Duras forest, the vast beaches of the Bay of Bengal, and innumerable rivers. This is called accident of geography. You can find all the major land masses of geographical features in West Bengal. Next, Bengali women were the first Indian women to go to school, pursue higher studies and started working. Next, the national song of India, Vande Mataram, was written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyaya. He is also a Bengali. Next, Bengali is the only language which takes pride in gifting two countries their national anthems, India and Bangladesh. Both were written by Rabindranath Tagore. Indian national anthem is Jana Gana Mana and West Bengal national anthem is Amar Sonar Bangla. It was both written by Rabindranath Tagore. Friends, that's all about West Bengal. If you find my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel Yuvataram Education, and you can follow us on Facebook /Yuvataram Education and Instagram /Yuvataram Education.